Alright, Hennessey Performance fans, we are in the 2017 Hennessey Camaro ZL1 EXORCIST. This is our 1,000 horsepower package. It does have an upgraded supercharger, ported cylinder heads, a custom camshaft, heat exchanger upgrades, injector upgrades, and some other goodies to make this thing go crazy. This thing is pretty gnarly fast. It has the 10-speed in it, which is a fantastic automatic transmission that just pounds through the gears. It shifts so fast. It's probably the only automatic transmission that I would buy in a sports car. And man, when you put this much power into it, it just goes. Daggum fast. Was my top speed that I saw on that one. That's super impressive on the back half of our track. That's definitely up there with some of the fastest cars that we drive.